Hi. Today we will see an amazing prank coded in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can see a very basic login form on the screen. Please pardon the indentation and look of the layout. So here we have two text fields of username and password. Then, we have a checkbox for terms and conditions. And then we have a submit button. It looks pretty basic, right? Let's try to fill out the form and see the magic. I will write some username and password here. Now, I will purposely skip the checkbox. I will not agree to the terms and conditions. And I will directly try to submit the form. See what happens. See, as soon as I try to click the submit button, the button runs away somewhere. It does not give me any chance to click it. But, if I select the terms and conditions checkbox, then, the button comes to its original position. And now, I can successfully click it and submit the form. Interesting, right? Let's see how I have coded this prank. This is my HTML file. First, we write all the basic HTML, head, meta, and title tags. We will see the CSS in this style tag later. Let's see the body tag first. So this is the body tag. First, we have a div tag with a class called container. Here we have created the two input fields for the username and password. Here we have created the terms and conditions checkbox. And this is the submit button. Below the div tag, we have the script tag, where we will write the JavaScript part. First, we get the instances of the submit button and the checkbox. Then we write the mouse over event listener for the submit button. This listener decides what to do when the user hovers the computer mouse over the submit button. Here, we check if the terms and conditions checkbox is selected or not. If it is not selected, then, we move the position of the submit button randomly to the left or right direction. This is the on-click event listener of the submit button. When the user finally clicks the submit button, we show an alert. This is the change event listener of the checkbox. When the checkbox is selected, we move the submit button to its original position at the center of the screen. Now, let's see the CSS part. Inside this head tag, we have this style tag. Here we will write our CSS part. This is the CSS of the body tag. This is the CSS of the container class, which is assigned to the div tag. This is the CSS for the two input fields. This is the CSS for the submit button. This is the CSS for the submit button when it is hovered over by the computer mouse. And this is the CSS for the checkbox. That's it. Try this yourself and have fun. Thanks for watching.